where you gut it. It's the most easiest thing to do instead of buying a $300 intake that'll make your car run hotter instead of colder. Basically, we just gutted it all the way through, and then see that nozzle is for right here. It goes inside that hole. So once you pick it up, it'll come out just like that. And you can literally just pull it off. Literally just did it with one hand. Super simple. I already had the pleasure of opening the box. This is everything in there. Just comes with like a sticker. This is it right here. I'll put a part number in the description. There's ones that have this nozzle right here, this little thing that goes inside the hole. I'll show you what I mean by that. Okay, and then it's really simple. It's this bolt 10 mil, this bolt 10 mil right there, you can see. And then in between all these lines, you literally just take them out, pull them away, boom, right there, another 10. Just have to have an extension on your ratchet. And then these clips right here with these lines, just take them out. And that clip, you can take out that clip without breaking it. I just fit in like a little L tool and put my hand under and put my hand over and it comes out. You do not have to break it. It's frustrating, but you can for sure take it out. The plastic that we took off from this here, we sealed it off with some glue, and it's literally the most basic thing ever. So like that, air doesn't go into this. You guys already know. Mainly about this filter is aftermarket, but it's like OEM style because it has a little notch for here, and then it has the little stick to go in that hole or whatever. Not to sound wrong or anything, so we're gonna try to do it with one hand here. Easiest thing to do. Alright, not gonna be able to do it. Give me 1 second. Have it in the notch. Literally just push it in. It's nice and snug. Now that the car has the air filter and the car is on, it has like a whistling sound to it. You can hear it. And then whenever I put the box back on, it goes away. So it just sounds like it, you know, sucks in more air.